A calendar of events is to be publicized over the next week, but only for persons who have taken the COVID-19 vaccine. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the time has come for the government to differentiate between the vaxxed and the unvaxxed. Shamila Pullen tells us more.
As the fourth wave of COVID-19 sweeps across countries worldwide, the separation of the vaxxed and unvaxxed is becoming even more prevalent. In several European countries, governments have imposed restrictions on the unvaccinated, while it's business as usual for people who are vaccinated. And it appears Jamaica will be following suit. According to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, the government has come to the realization that vaccinated citizens can no longer continue to put their lives on hold because of COVID-19. To this end, an events calendar is being created for them.
Over the next week or so, we intend, the government that is, and Cabinet has decided on that, to announce a series of events, an events calendar, if you will, over the next 3-4 months that will now allow more persons to congregate around certain events within a control setting. And the single most significant criteria of that is that you must be vaccinated.
The health minister acknowledged that the idea will not be fully supported, but stressed it is needed.
If you take the time to protect yourself and others don't, then I believe you should enjoy more privileges and rights to certain activities over those who have decided not to. It's a controversial position, but it's a position that the government has endorsed. So listen out for that, because I know a lot of you want to go to boys' tramps and Gibson relays and
But he says the government will continue to provide the opportunities for vaccination and encourage people to take the jab.
The truth is, far more, 3 times that amount should be vaccinated by now. Many Jamaicans, for whatever reason, even with the opportunity to get vaccinated, have not gotten vaccinated. We continue to encourage vaccination. We continue to provide information if persons are concerned about any side effects or otherwise. But that theme of personal responsibility is going to have to be the primary driver of living with COVID.
Approximately 22% of the population is fully vaccinated against COVID-19. Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.